Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, I'm over here at UMC, Utah Motorsports campus today. Trying to get a little practice in. It's a little windy, so sorry if you can't hear me, and I'm really close to my face. Check it out. Snow-capped mountains. This is the road course right here in front of me. And then we've got the autocross course right here. I've done probably 15 runs or so far. So it's been a lot of fun. A lot of exotics, a bunch of Lambos and Porsches and supercars. So it's kind of cool. But right now is kind of my time to do some autocrossing, and hopefully I'll get a little footage with you. I didn't bring my my car mount, forgot it. But if you guys are in Utah, hit me up. We'll go out and do a wide open Wednesday. Go have some fun. Playing in our cars, that's what they're for. Hey, what do you do for a living?
Janitor.
Yeah, you smoking them just when you were leaving that first time, I was like, why am I not doing that? I'm not even spinning. And that just like I just ran a 29.7.
Nice.
So that's a big, I think warming those tires up was a huge.
That's what I think.
A huge help for sure.
Even though that same run was my most slippery.
Yeah. Oh, them Porsches coming down sounding so good.
I know, I love it. That's my next car.
Oh yeah?
GT3 or GT3 RS, that's what I want.
That thing's violent. That accelerates so hard. That thing is so fun. Oh man. The crazy thing is, it's like these, well, it's typical Subaru smoking. Like, I didn't move anywhere. Like, I just stayed put.
Yeah.
I'm not, I didn't have to grab onto anything.
Well, that was my best run.
Oh, that's awesome.
I tried to keep it smooth and it's still...
No, you, that was awesome. There we go. Took a whole second off.
I tried to keep that one a little smoother.
Oh, that was awesome. Oh, this car is so fun. Now I get the whole Ferrari thing.
Yeah.
I get it. The thing just pulls it so hard.
I think the last time I autocrossed was Steamboat 2 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I haven't even been to Steamboat for, I think, 3 years now. I like it.
That's not gonna be very good.
It's all right.
I'm taking out a cone or two.
You took out about 8 of them. I was looking right at it. We just slid like right into it. I was like, oh. Nope. Nope, we didn't stop in time.
I could feel my ABS trying to like
Fight you?
fix it. Like, no, ABS, we're going sideways.
No, we're not doing it.
Alright, I need to do over.
Gotta redeem yourself.
Yeah.
And it doesn't stop.
It doesn't turn.
You missed it.
Come on, turn.
Go. That ain't bad.
The same as my other car. It's the opposite. This one pushes as understeer, but no oversteer, and it's slow.
Yeah.
So my car, to make all those turns, I just kind of, this one I've got to be like...
Yeah, you gotta go like 3 turns to get it to move.
I'm used to that. Okay, I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah, it's a whole different ball game.
It's so different.
Even just riding, like, yours feels like a freaking rocket ship. And then this just like grandpa, like feel like we're cruising an old LTD. Boom. So guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We were able to have a lot of fun. A lot of autocrossing, a lot of hanging out, a lot of people I haven't seen for a while. Been able to touch bases with them. So a lot of fun. First time really hanging out in a Ferrari that long. So special thanks to Sam. Appreciate you for letting me tag along with you, let me film and everything. Yeah, what a fun time. I guess they're gonna do it monthly, once a month, out at the Utah Motorsport campus. So if you guys want to plan on going in March, hit me up. I'll be heading out that way, and I'll probably get Britt to go with us as well, and camera guy, get the Cobra and the S550 out there. But anyway, appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. I know I'm not the greatest at this YouTube and stuff yet, but I'm working on it and practicing, getting better. So anyway, if you haven't liked or subscribed, do so please. It helps me, and thank you for those who have done that. And I will see you guys next week, and hope you have a great day. See you guys.